Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. Okay, as you may know from the title. So today's unboxing video is featuring this Samsung Galaxy A55 5G for the Malaysian market. So what I have here is the awesome lilac color. We also have two colors as well. So the other two colors are awesome ice blue and also awesome navy. So colors out. Pricing. This guy here comes in one variant. 12GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage that goes for 1,999 ringgit Malaysia. Yeah, interesting, right? Now, this specific device will go on sale for the Malaysian market 22nd March 2024. So, with some of the simple details about this device has been out right now to you. Let's unbox it. So as you can see, perfectly sealed unit. So all you need to do is just pull out the tab. Done. Bam. Device here. But let us quickly check what's inside this box. So as usual, I think it's mostly the SIM ejector 2-pin, user guide as well, with some bits of Type-C to Type-C cable. So good. There are some paperwork here. Yeah, and I'm not gonna be wasting time with that. I don't think you guys want to watch that. I think a lot of you more interested on the device itself. So nice. I think they also are doing much more changes right now, no longer having any plastic on their packaging. I think something not many people are going to highlight it. I'm going to highlight it. So yeah, nice. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's open it up. Nice. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Nice. Wow. Galaxy A55 over here. This is awesome. I kind of like this color as well. Look at that. Wow, there's rainbow reflection on it. Gonna be an interesting device. So on the sides, they are aluminium. Brushed aluminiums, if you really look. Only the power button and the volume rocker. Yeah. So if you really see the design, yes, this contour right now, that goes all the way, and only the volume rocker and the power button is slightly protruding outside. So can you see it? Just like that slight protruding. I think it's an awesome design. This year, what are they introducing for the users? I like it. Nice. And also, if you really check out the camera island now, yeah, I think it's following what color you are having from your unit. Okay, so I'm gonna fire it up, test it out, use it like 6 to 8 hours, and I'll come back again, let you guys know more detail about this device in terms of like my within 6 hours of using it, and also some features you should know about this Samsung Galaxy A55. So before I'm going to give my quick impression on this Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, I have one major highlight to also announce for you, the audience that is watching this video. So this Galaxy A55 is one of the first Galaxy A device that is offering Samsung Knox. Yep. So Samsung Knox is a security protection for the Galaxy devices. So I'll just quickly go through like what kind of security features it's offering. First is auto blocker. Second, Knox Ward. Third, Smart Core. And the fourth one is Samsung Knox Matrix. Last one, Secure Folder. So with these 5 security features, the Galaxy A55 users have a peace of mind in terms of their data privacy, whether is it secure or not. And definitely most of the time when you have the Samsung Knox is going to be offering better protection. Hey, at least you have something to be protecting you from all kind of not just software security but also hardware security as well. So yeah, take note on that. So after a day of using it, I feel it's the better timing to give my quick impression on this device, because I feel like just using it like 6 to 8 hours is actually not really enough for this Samsung Galaxy A55 to give my quick impression onto it. Okay, so first thing out of the box, I think compared to the predecessor, I like it because it is much more larger right now. Yes, display on the Galaxy A55 here is actually 6.6 inches, and the Galaxy A54 I have here is actually rocking a 6.4 inches display. So you also do notice that like if you are putting it side by side, it is actually much slightly taller as well. Yeah, so that is out of the way. Love it. So if you're looking for a mid-ranger that is large, yeah, this is definitely the one. And in terms of like performance, I didn't really use it heavily, but I noticed that with the 12 gigs RAM here, the model, the review unit here I have, operation is much more smoother. And in terms of like loading up games, you do notice it is much more faster compared to the previous model. So that is something really appreciate with the larger RAM that is offered right now for the Malaysian market. Meanwhile, for the battery performance over here, 5000 milliamp battery on the Galaxy A55, and yesterday I actually charged it back to 100%. Right now it's only 65%. So last night I've been shooting a lot of 4K video, taking a lot of photos, you know, browsing social medias, uploading to social medias, checking out YouTube videos, playing the speakers as well. They perform actually quite well in the battery performance. 65%, I'm just only like losing like what, 45%, 35%. I think it's amazing with what the battery life is offering right here. So now I'm gonna go to the battery, and I'm gonna let you guys see the details. So yeah, you can actually see how is the battery perform. So today is just only 6 minutes of screen on time. I had other things to go on to do. So last night it was like 2 hours of screen on time. So that is pretty good battery performance that is giving a longevity battery life over here for the Galaxy A55. Now, for the display and the audio department over here, I think the Galaxy A55 retains the excellence for entertainment immersiveness. So if you are going to check out here, I'm going to just give you a quick sample of it with the max brightness of the display being turned to the max. Okay, you already watched it. Max volume as well. Okay, so I'm gonna play a video.
We're gonna count down. Cameras ready in 3, 2, 1, and sit away. And then, ladies and gentlemen, is officially open.
So yeah, definitely display and the stereo speakers over here, they are fantastic. But I'll give it a little bit more details in my full review video. So the last part I want to give my quick impression on this device is the cameras. So for the cameras, still retain the same, but I do notice like now the processing is actually a little bit much more faster, and there is some slight better in terms of like clarity and also the colors as well. But you check out the sample over here, shoot in main camera, ultra wide camera, and also the macro camera. Looks really stunning, and also with the selfie camera as well. So overall, that's the quick impression on this Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. However, this is not a full review or whatsoever, therefore there are some things I decided to skip it away. But I'm glad to tell you in my quick impression that this is definitely one of the powerful mid-range smartphone you can get right now for the Malaysia market. Paired along with 12 gigs of RAM is going to be allowing the users to operate smoothly for a longer time. So if you're someone that looking into a long ownership for a smartphone, especially in the mid-range market, yep, this is definitely you are the one to go for. And it's already start selling on the 22nd March 2024 for the Malaysian market. So this guy here is actually priced at 1,999 ringgit Malaysia. Just repeating for you guys in case you miss out in the front part of the video. So yeah, I think go to the Samsung retail store, go and check them out if you still feel that my video is not convincing enough. And with that, hey, if you do really bought one of this Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, maybe perhaps do a shout out in the comment section, you know, it's going to help a lot, and also give a like as well. However, if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and then follow us on the social media account. And last but not least, hit the website, go and read all the news articles happening in Malaysia and internationally. With that said, I need to bid you guys farewell. It has been a long video. Bye.